The Oak Hybrid Home Kit from Schutt Log Homes blends classic cabin character with the strength, efficiency, and convenience of modern 2x6 construction. It all starts with a well-built foundation, creating the base for a home designed to last for generations. Built with strong 2x6 construction, the hybrid offers superior insulation, energy efficiency, and simplified electrical and plumbing installation. Then the roof system is set into place, transforming the structure into a true home with the warm appearance of country cabin architecture. As the interior walls are installed, the open concept layout begins to reveal itself, creating spacious living areas perfect for family gatherings, weekend retreats, or full-time living. Windows and doors bring the outdoors in, filling the home with natural light and showcasing the view around you. Inside, the hybrid allows complete flexibility for finishes and design, from modern farmhouse to rustic cabin style. The result is a beautiful cabin-style home that combines modern building methods with timeless appeal. The Hybrid Oak Home Kit, designed for real life, only from Schutt Log Homes.